To change the wallpaper on POCO X7 Pro, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, we need to scroll down and find personalization and then choose it. And then scroll down to find different wallpapers. So we have 3 categories. We have editor's pick, new, and system wallpapers. And we can also just swipe in order to see more of them or press more text over here on the right side. Now let's choose a wallpaper that we like the most. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Then we can press apply. This is the lock screen, but we don't have to really apply for the lock screen if we don't want to, because over here, once we try to apply, we have the option to set it to the lock screen only, to home screen only, or for both. I'm gonna set it to both actually. Now you might be asked to turn on wallpaper carousel, however, we don't really have to agree to that. And there we go, wallpaper has been changed. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!